The Chicago Faucets CF Connect Plus system delivers centralized management of our faucets with the ability to connect a specially designed gateway to your existing building automation system. With CF Connect Plus, you can remotely manage and monitor up to 30 faucets from a single gateway. To begin, mount the enclosure in an area within 300 feet of the faucets. Run power to the enclosure. Route your G-bus cables from each sink into the enclosure. Add a local network cable to connect to your building automation system. Assemble the 4 terminal blocks and attach them to the DIN rail. Using the supplied mounting brackets, attach the gateway to the DIN rail. Attach the power cable to the gateway power connector. Use a short section of bus cable to act as a jumper between the bus connector on the gateway and the terminal blocks. Connect the local network cable to the gateway. Connect bus cables from each sink where the faucets will be installed to the terminal blocks inside the enclosure. Once the connections are complete, secure the enclosure cover with the included screws. With the power on, complete the installation at each sink. Connect the temperature sensors between the stops and the supply hoses running to the faucet. Plug in wires from the sensors into the converter. Next, insert the G-bus wiring connector into the converter. Then, insert the 4 wires of the G-bus cable into the splice connector. Attach the cable from the faucet to the converter. Insert the converter into the junction box. Your gateway connection is complete. Finish the installation according to local codes. You are now ready to set up your connected fittings and put your CF Connect Plus system into operation using the CF Connect app. For complete information, visit chicagofaucets.com.